Welcome to our crib!
Hi, my name is Meriem. I'm a first year studying cognitive science and I live in Unit 2.
Hi, I'm Mikayla. I'm a first year here studying psychology and on the pre-med track.
Generally, the freshmen have triples, but my roommate and I have a double this year. This is my side of the room, and every dorm comes with a chair, desk, bed, and a microwave and fridge for you and your roommates to share. When I moved in, I was really excited to decorate my wall, so I just filled it up with everything that I could. And up there in the corner is something I got from my club's retreat recently. We found a really cool antique shop, and it's actually a music sheet from 1931, so I think it's pretty cool. And moving over here is the microwave and fridge. You also get a closet and a mirror. And on top of the microwave, we just have this gift that I got from our Florist Secret Santa that we did in December, and some flowers that I found on the way to the dining hall.
Alright, so this is my side of the room. Some of my favorite things here are my plants, especially this one that I got at our Florist Secret Santa as well. I have some pictures that show off my favorite memories as well as some shelves that I made at home. And over here we have the closet. At the top I put some food, I have a popcorn maker, and here are my clothes and these drawers that came with the room. Some of the amenities we have here are the co-ed bathroom, the laundry room,
The kitchenette, and also a study lounge. The community is really warm, and I think it's just because all of us were new freshmen coming in from so many different places, and so we all just kind of wanted to build connections and make new friends. It's really amazing because I've made friends who I probably never would have met otherwise, and because of that we just have a really diverse community of individuals, and we love to spend time with each other and hang out.
It's really great to just walk down the hall and have an interaction with someone and not have to make that extra effort to say, oh, like meet me at this place at this time, when you can just see them in the bathroom, in the laundry room, walking down the hall. So it's just really great to have that sense of community.